Hello friends, in this video we will be talking about the histology of special senses with respect to the eye. Only two slides we will discuss, cornea and retina. Now first we will see retina and then cornea. So retina. So in the retina, please remember this 10 important layers which I am going to tell you now. Please, very important these layers. Please register in your mind these layers. It is very important. So we'll go with the layers now. Sclera. So first layer sclera we are seeing. This is the sclera. Next is choroid. So choroid. Okay. So this is the choroid with the blood vessels and R. And then here we can see the pigment cell layer over here. And 4 is the retina. This is actually the retina proper with the rods and cones. So I'll give you a way to remember. SCR, South Central Railway, sclera, choroid and retina. If we see in the gross anatomy, first layer will be the sclera, second will be the choroid, third will be the retina. Okay, and fifth is the outer nuclear layer. So please remember now, fifth and seventh layer. You are seeing the fifth and seventh layer. These are the nuclear layers. Okay. Just like I told you, second and fourth in the cerebral cortex. I have told you. Those are the granular layers. Same way like that, here we are seeing fifth and seventh layer. These are the nuclear layers. So this is the outer. Remember, outer always has more cells. Okay, compared to inner. So this is outer and this is the inner nuclear layer. Between that we are finding the outer plexiform layer. So anyway, there are two plexiform layers, outer and inner, just like nuclear layers only. This will be the outer and this will be the inner plexiform. Here any inner plexiform is a little thicker layer compared to the outer plexiform. Okay, and this is the ganglion cell layer. The same we saw in the cerebral cortex, right? We have seen that the same in the histology of the CNS, the same ganglion layer I have told you. And the last layer is the optic nerve fibers. We have discussed the role of optic nerve fibers in the physiology of vision. That is nothing but to send electrical impulses to the brain to recognize whatever is coming. And this retina is a very important center for the refractive errors. Like I'll give you few examples: myopia, hypermetropia. Anyway, these details we will be seeing in physiology little later. But to sum up, please remember these 10 important layers. I will repeat once again. So these 10 important layers: the sclera, number 1 layer, then choroid with the blood vessels, then the pigment cell layer, then the retina proper with the rods and cones, then fifth and seventh, the nuclear layer, outer, and this is inner nuclear layer, sixth and eighth, the plexiform layers. This is outer and inner plexiform layer. This is outer, this is inner. Okay, and this is ganglion cell layer and the optic nerve fiber layer. This is the histology of retina. Now last is the cornea. So what is the histology of the cornea? What are we observing? So first layer is the epithelium, not just squamous. This is stratified squamous corneal epithelium. Why stratified? Because we can see a number of layers. So stratified squamous corneal epithelium. And this is the Bowman's membrane. This very small membrane is there. The Bowman's membrane. This whole thing is the substantia propria. Just like we had a lamina propria in the tongue. In the tongue, lamina propria is there, right? Like that, here also we have a propria, that is a substantia propria. Okay, or this is called substance proper, cornea proper. This whole thing which we are seeing, and this is the Descemet's membrane. So two limiting membranes are there. Once again, this is anterior or the Bowman's, posterior, that is the Descemet's. Please don't confuse with these Bowman's. This is also there in the nephron. In the nephron, there is something called Bowman's capsule. That is totally different. Okay. Here we are discussing about Bowman's membrane. Okay. So both terminologies differ. So anterior limiting, that is the Bowman's. Posterior, that is limiting with the Decimex. And this last layer which we are seeing now, that is posterior cuboidal epithelium. Once again, if we compare, I told you first layer was stratified squamous corneal. Last layer is cuboidal layer. Have we come across this cuboidal epithelium somewhere? Yes, thyroid gland. In thyroid gland, I told you, there is a beautiful cuboidal epithelium where we were seeing the thyroid follicles, right? The same thing. Okay. So this is the histology of the cornea. And please, this is very important. Please remember these 5 layers. I am repeating once again all the 5 layers. So this is the stratified squamous corneal epithelium. This is the anterior and the posterior limiting membrane. So this anterior one is called Bowman's membrane. Posterior one is called Decimex membrane. This whole thing is called the substantia propria, or the substance proper, or the cornea proper. This thing. And this one over here, this is posterior cuboidal epithelium. Now, references from where I took the pictures. So that brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.